Ain't nothing easy about this. It ain't supposed to be easy. Life ain't easy. You didn't descend your whole fifth dimensional higher self, ancestral being self into a 3D body. You squeeze down through this neural canal to enter into this body. Ain't nothing been easy about life since you began. Okay? This is an experience, y'all. And it's not supposed to always be easy. So while you are here, make the best of your experience. That's all that there is. Make the best out of it truly and authentically. Because pretending ain't shit. You waste your whole experience. You're going to have to come back. And you accumulating karmic debt. So all this little bullshit that you be doing, that smallness of you, that little bitty shit, it adds up, y'all, like pennies. It adds up. You are responsible for all of your shit, all of your energy. You are responsible for every single bit of it. Trust me when I tell you. You got to deal with yourself, baby. All that little bullshit that you be doing, you got to deal with it. It don't got nothing to do. So when people say I give the same energy that I get, I don't do that. Cause who do that? I am myself. I'm gonna give the energy that I give. Now, how you respond to that is completely up to you. If you being an asshole and I show up with love, how you deal with that love is up to you. If I'm being an asshole and you show up with love, how I respond to that is up to me. But to do this tit for tat energy thing, I don't do that. That's the beautiful part about being a fixed earth sign. Baby, I am stable in what the fuck I am. Now, you can meander and feel however you go feel around that for yourself. But I'm going to stand right up in here like this piece of organite over here on this table. And I'm just going to radiate. How you feel is up to you. You can ask me a question if you are confused. You can ask me a question if you are unsure. But otherwise, I'm going to sit over here on this table like a piece of organite and I'm going to radiate my energy. That's it. I encourage everybody to do the same. Don't be wavering based on what another person's energy is doing. Just be your damn self. Be the magnificent, wonderful, beautiful being that you are consistently in the face of everybody else's fear. Show them what love actually looks like. Because at the core of yourself, that's what you are. That's what I am. That's what you are. We are all 528.